Hello, this is the lecture number 5 for the chapter permutation and combination, and today we are starting with the topic combination. Now before doing this, you must know the difference between the permutation and combination. Now in permutation is the arrangement of something or some alphabets or some persons or some things in arrangement without repetition. Arrangement without repetition, but the combination means selection. For example, suppose we have three students A, B, C, and you have to arrange them in a line. So how can we arrange them? A, B, C, A, C, B, B, A, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, then C, B, A. How many arrangements are there? There are 6 arrangements. So this is the permutation जो हमें arrange करना है without repetition. Now suppose we have 3 students and you have to select them for a debate. तीनों को select करना है debate के लिए. When we have to select the debate for them for a debate, so it means their arrangement is meaningless. So you can either have A, B, C or A, B, C. You can write their name in any order for the this like this CA and या CAB या CBA. ये सब mean same है because you have to select them for a debate. Their name can be in any order, but the selection is only one. So there is only one selection, that is तीनों के नाम एक ही पेपर पे लिख सकते हैं, ऑर्डर उसमें मीनिंगलेस है. तो दिस इज द सिलेक्शन. और इफ यू आर टेकिंग आउट ए कार्ड from a pack of 52 cards and you have to take it out a card from it, so it means it is a selection. इसका arrangement meaningless है. तो जहाँ पर arrangement meaningless हो जाता है, that is known as the combination. तो combination का मतलब होता है selection, छांटना. permutation का मतलब है arrangement without repetition. जैसे example लिया है, there are 6 ways to arrange 3 students in a line, but to select them for a debate, their naming in the page or a paper or a register is meaningless because there is only one way they can be selected, that ABC or CAB or ABC, like this. So there is a difference between the permutation and combination. Now, how can we find the formula? What is the formula for the combination? Now, we know that permutation is this permutation of nr, and it is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Now what is the permutation? Now permutation means the arrangement without repetition. Now to convert into selection, then you have to divide it by the things which is repeating. How many times they have to be repeated? That is, if the things is repeating r times, so you divide both side by r, so it will become a combination. The formula for the combination like this. Or corresponding to each combination of nr, suppose there is a combination, let us in detail more thing. There is a combination out of n things, we have to select r. Now we have r factorial permutation because r object in every combination can be arranged in r factorial. r combination जैसे मान लिया 2 का selection करना है, there is student A and B, so there will be AB and BA, so this means the same, so you have to divide by this. Or when there are 3 students to be arranged, so there are 6 arrangement for that, that is it is 3 factorial, so the number is to be divided by factorial 3. So like this, the combination is combination of nr, and in this r things to be arranged, and it means the same. The arrangement is meaningless in the combination, so you have to divide it by r factorial. So the combination of this is equal to if we multiply with r factorial, it will be permutation of nr, or we have just proved that combination of nr is equal to n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. This is the formula for the combination, this or this. There's one more property. If 2 combinations are equal, then either n is equal to a plus b or a is equal to b. अगर दो कॉम्बिनेशन इक्वल हैं तो n will be equal to a plus b or a is equal to b. You can prove it by expanding the combination left hand side and right hand side. You will obtain the condition. So this is the some basics for the combination, which means the selection. Main चीज है selection. Now in exercise 7.4 we have question number 1 in which two combinations are equal and you have to find the combination of n2. So when two combinations are equal, so a cannot be equal to b, so here n will be equal to a plus 2, which is equal to 10. When you replace it here, combination of 10 will be there, so n factorial, r factorial and n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial is a formula for the combination and it will be equal to 45. Now in question number 2, the ratio of two combination is given as you have done in the permutation and you have to find the value of n. So it is given that the ratio of the combination of 2n, 3 and combination of n2 is equal to 12 upon 1. To use the formula of combination here, n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial divided by n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial is equal to 12 upon 1. Now इसको solve करने के लिए you multiply by taking the reciprocals. Multiply by 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial upon n factorial is equal to 12. Now simplify it. Now you can expand this 2n. For this you can write 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 and 2n minus 3 factorial, because we have 2n minus 3 factorial in the denominator, which will be cancelled out. Similarly here 2 factorial, it is n minus 2 factorial upon n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial. Expand the larger number, you know it, equal to 12. Now this will be cancelled out, 2 factorial cancelled out with this, n minus 2 will cancel out with n minus 2, this n will be cancelled out with this n. Now see it very carefully, 2n minus 1, now you can take 2 common in it, so it will be n minus 1, which will cancel out this n minus 1 also, n minus 1 also, that is, and you will get the value of n as, simplify करने पर you will get the value of n as 5. So this is the main thing, otherwise you will get a quadratic equation, हो तो जाएगा, otherwise you will get a quadratic equation. The ratio of the two combination was given. Sit. Similarly the second part you can do yourself, बिल्कुल same इसी तरह का है, you have to use the combination and simplify it. Now question number 3. Now there are 21 points given on a circle. You have to find how many chords you can make. Now you have to decide whether you have to use the combination or permutation. Now because there cannot be no 3 points can be in a straight line, because the points are on the circle and the two chords is obtained by joining the 2 points AB, AC, AD and so on. And because AB or BE chord, AB or BA chord means the same, means here the arrangement is meaningless. So therefore the number of chords can be formed combination of 21 and 2. 21 points हैं, 2 join करके chord बनता है, because here the arrangement is meaningless, because AB or BA chord means the same, so therefore you have to use the combination. The combination n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial. When you solve it you will get 210 chords. इसलिए कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करा है क्योंकि यहाँ पर ए बी बी ए कॉर्ड का मतलब सेम है, तो इसका मतलब मीनिंगलेस हो गया अरेंजमेंट. इसलिए जब मीनिंगलेस अरेंजमेंट है तो इट मीन्स इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन. Question number 4. You have to select 3 boys and 3 girls out of 5 boys and 4 girls. तो यहाँ पर तो सीधा वर्ड सिलेक्शन ही है. तो 3 boys can be selected out of 5 कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 5 3, कॉम्बिनेशन लगेगा कि वर्ड सिलेक्शन है. 3 girls can be selected out of 4 is equal to combination of 4 3. तो टोटल वेज कितने हो गए टीम बनाने के? कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 5 3 इंटू कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 4 3. सॉल्व करने पर ये 40 आ जाएगा. कॉम्बिनेशन का फॉर्मूला लगाइए. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Now in question number 3 also you have to select 9 balls, 3 of each color of red, white and blue, and the red colors balls are 6, white colors balls are 5 and blue color balls are also 5. So you can select 3 balls of each color. Question number 5, select 3 red balls आउट ऑफ 6. कितना हो जाएगा? कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 6 3. या आप लिख सकते हैं नंबर ऑफ वेज इन विच 3 balls कैन बी सेलेक्टेड आउट ऑफ 6. यू कैन अरेंज द स्टेटमेंट्स ऑल्सो. सेलेक्ट 3 white balls out of white balls we have given 5, तो combination of 5 3. Select 3 blue balls and the blue balls given as also 5 is equal to combination of 5 3. तो selection है इसलिए combination लगा. तो टोटल 9 बॉल हो गई 3 3 3. सो देयरफॉर टोटल वेज आर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 6 3, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 5 3 इनटू कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 5 3. यूज द कॉम्बिनेशन फॉर्मूला हियर. यू विल गेट 20 10 into 10. You have 2000 ways in which 9 balls can be selected, 3 of each color. See it carefully. बहुत easy questions था. Question number 6. You have to select or take out 5 cards from a pack of 52 cards, and in each selection there should be 1 ace. So it means आपको 5 cards का selection करना है. इसमें 1 ace है. So 1 ace out of 4 ace can be selected. Combination of 4 1. सॉल्व करेंगे. ये आपका आ जाएगा 4 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 1 फैक्ट 3 4 आ जाएगा. एंड 5 का सिलेक्शन था, 1 एस था, तो इसका मतलब 4 नॉन एस आउट ऑफ नॉन एस कितने होते हैं 48. ये हो जाएगा कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 48 एंड 4. 5 में से एक एस होना चाहिए एंड 4 नॉन एस होने चाहिए बिकॉज 5 कार्ड का सिलेक्शन है. एंड नॉन एस हमारे पास 48 होते हैं क्योंकि 4 एस हैं. तो टोटल वेज हो गए हमारे कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 4 1 इनटू कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 48 एंड 4. तो सॉल्व करने पर 778320 आ रहा है. 77820. दिस इज अ टोटल वेज इन विच 5 कार्ड्स कैन बी सेलेक्टेड, इन विच 1 इज ऑलवेज एन एस. Now question number 7, read it carefully. You have to select a cricket team in which we have to do the selection from 16. There are 16 persons are there, rather 17 are there, out of which 17 persons are there, out of which we have 5 bowlers, therefore 12 non-bowlers. This is bowler. You have to select a cricket team of 11 person consisting of 4 bowlers. तो आपको select करने हैं 4 bowlers. कितने में select करेंगे? Out of 5. And select how many you have to select now? 11 की 4 bowler तो 7 non bowler होंगे and 7 non bowlers out of रिमेनिंग 12 नॉन बॉलर्स. तो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 5 4 बॉलर का सिलेक्शन हो गया. कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 12 7 ये नॉन बॉलर्स का सिलेक्शन हो गया. बॉलर्स का सिलेक्शन, नॉन बॉलर्स का सिलेक्शन. सो जब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे इट विल बी 5 एंड इट विल बी 12 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 7 फैक्टोरियल 5 फैक्टोरियल. सॉल्व करने पर 3960 तरीके हैं 11 क्रिकेट टीम को सेलेक्ट करने के लिए. 11 पर्सन की क्रिकेट टीम को सेलेक्ट करने के लिए, आउट ऑफ विच 4 शुड बी बॉलर एंड 7 शुड बी नॉन बॉलर. नॉन बॉलर आर 12 एंड बॉलर्स आर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 तो इससे भी इजी है. यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट 2 ब्लैक बॉल्स एंड 3 रेड बॉल्स एंड द ब्लैक बॉल्स आर 5 एंड 3 एंड द रेड बॉल्स आर 9. तो 2 ब्लैक बॉल्स out of 5 can be selected. एक स्टेटमेंट थोड़ा सा आपको लिखना है. 5 में से 2 क्योंकि 5 है. एंड 3 रेड बॉल्स out of 6 can be selected. कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 6 3. तो टोटल वेज हो गए आपके, टोटल वेज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 5 2 into कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 6 3. Solve it. You will get this as 200 like this. This is the method to do it. Now in question number 9, a student has to select 5 courses out of 9 in which 2 are compulsory. So it means when 2 are compulsory, then it means he has to select only 3 from the remaining how many subjects? Out of 9 2 are compulsory, out of 7. तो केवल उसको 7 में से 3 का सिलेक्शन करना है. क्योंकि सिलेक्शन है तो इसलिए कॉम्बिनेशन लगा, कॉम्बिनेशन का फॉर्मूला लगाइए एंड उसके बाद केवल 35 वेज हैं उसको चूज करने के. रिमेनिंग 3 सब्जेक्ट्स आउट ऑफ द रिमेनिंग 7. 9 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, 2 आर कंपल्सरी. दैट मीन्स he has to select only 3 out of the remaining 7. तो combination of 7 3. Okay, I'll discuss the miscellaneous exercise in the next lecture. Thank you.